Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add bleed on Adobe Express. In order to add bleed in Adobe Express, open up your Adobe Express application and then make sure that you're inside the main home page. Now go ahead and open up a project where you want to add bleed on. After opening up a project, go ahead and make necessary edits for your project and click on the three dots at the top right corner once you are done. Click on settings in the pop-up and you will be able to see two different options where it says show margins or show bleed. Toggle on the button right next to show bleed, and finally go ahead and download your project like you normally would. If your file format is chosen to be PDF, it'll automatically ask you to include bleed and crop marks for easy trimming. Make sure you click on show bleed option if it is an PDF formatted project, and then click on download at the bottom. Remember that bleed ensures that your design extends slightly beyond the trim area, allowing for accurate printing and trimming. So that is how you will be able to add bleed in Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.